Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the language on the Zangi app step by step. If your app is in the wrong language or you want to switch it to a different one, this guide will help you do it easily. Let's get started. Zangi Messenger supports multiple languages and allows users to change the interface language directly from the settings menu. Here's how to change it. Step 1. Open the Zangi app. First, open the Zangi Messenger app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to Settings. Look for the menu icon or gear icon in the app. Tap it to open the Settings section. Step 3. Find Language Settings. Scroll through the Settings menu. Look for the option called Language or Zangi Language. Tap on it. Step 4. Select your preferred language. You will see a list of available languages. Choose the language you want to use. Once selected, the app interface will change immediately. Step 5. Use device language optional. You can also choose device language. If this option is enabled, Zangi will automatically follow the language set on your phone. Important tip: Zangi currently supports multiple languages, including English, Arabic, French, Spanish, German, Italian, Russian, Thai, Ukrainian, Persian, and others. If your preferred language is not available, the app will default to English. And that's it. That's how you change the language on the Zangi app step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical Zangi tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.